What's the meaning of broaden? Broaden. Broaden.
Broaden. Broaden. The term broaden means to widen or increase something in scope or range. When we use this word, we are referring to the act of expanding a particular area, idea, or perspective. The result of broadening can be quite positive as it allows for a more diverse and inclusive perspective. It can also lead to greater flexibility and adaptability in decision-making. By exposing ourselves to new and different experiences, we can gain a more comprehensive understanding of the world around us. In short, broadening leads to a richer, more vibrant life experience.